Morning, students. So today we are going to study our chapter number 9, that is the essential of life. I think so previously you have completed your chapter number 8. Question answers and exercises I have already given you in the chapter. Now today we are going to complete our now we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 9, the essentials of life, whose values are patience and perseverance. So, my dear students, these are the two basic qualities that every individual must have in his character. What are the two qualities that a person should have in his character? Patience and perseverance are the two qualities that the person should possess in his characters. What is a patience? First, let us know what is a patience. Patience is a control that one have over his thought and action in adverse conditions or in difficult situation. Suppose if your father beats you, so sometimes we just, or if sometimes your mama scolds you for anything, so what we do normally, we used to just shout on our parents. We get frustrated. Suppose if our numbers are coming less, then also we get frustrated and we begin to argue with our teachers. So my dear student, or whenever we are standing in a queue, and when there is a long line, so what we do, we used to argue, get we used to start shouting on the people. So these are the things which comes out when a person have no patience in him. So what is a patience? Patience is a control over oneself in any condition. What is a patience? Patience is a control over thoughts and actions in any difficult situations. Patience help us to behave in accordance with the unnecessary frustration and irritation. It also allows to face the reality of life. Patience also allows to face reality of life and being desirable to us. By being patient, we can sustain our energy. Suppose if why we can sustain our energy. Suppose when we are frustrated, we used to shout and we used to argue, and due to this there is a lot of loss of energy in our body. So by being patient, we can sustain our energy. Patience is a very essential virtue which every person should possess in his life. Due to an See, this is a very well-known fact that due to the actions, an impatient person worsens the situation and later repents on it. Suppose if your father is shouting on you, or if your parents are scolding you, and if we just start to shout on them, then what will happen? The condition will become worsened. There will be the argument will start growing. So impatient persons always worsen the conditions. On the contrary, a patient persons accept the thing when they happen and later makes effort to improve them. Same thing happens in the classroom also. Suppose if we are studying and someone disturbs you, what happens? We start to fight with a particular boy or girl. But if we are patient, what we will do? We will just say to our teachers, and teacher will later on scold the student. But what we do? We usually start arguing with the next boy. So we should not do like this. We should remain patient with the situation. Also, the person who are impatient waste their lot of time thinking of tomorrow, and they forget to enjoy today. Impatience always result in lots of regrets, and impatient people always waste their time in dreaming instead of acting. So as we human being try to increase the speed of modern life, we often lose our patience and react in often odd way. This means, see, this the life is the we are living in a modern life, and we need to complete our work very fast. And in order to complete our work fast, we lose our patience. So, example just I have given, and some more examples are here. Like you have seen the people getting irritated when they have wait in ATMs, when their computer works slowly, or while they are driving in a traffic jams. Yes, my dear student, time definitely matters in our lives. It is not always favorable, so it is our mistake to demand that everyone and everything should move in our terms. We should become more patient, and we should learn to be patience, keep patience in our life. So here are some of the ways how impatience can harm us in the following ways. First, impatience makes us lose our perspective and result in misuse of spiritual power. Impatience always generates stress, which increase our blood pressure and harms the internal organ and the immune system of our body. Impatience also affect our social life too. It always strains our relationship and causes discord in group situations. Impatience also produces haste, which result in the which result in waste. On the other hand, impatience power empowers us at all levels, following an inspiring and interesting tale of teacup. This tale will tell you how to understand the importance of patience. So there is a beautiful story given in the chapter. The name of the story is The Tale of a Teacup. So this tale of a teacup story we will read on the next day. Till then, you learn your chapter number 8, the question answers, and practice to have patience in your life. Okay, my dear students?